friends, my name is Mohit and welcome to my channel. Hope you liked my previous video in which I had made the 8D version of Mahabharat title song, and today I am going to teach you how to make the 8D audio. So I am going to use KindMaster as it is very easy to do in it. No promotion. I am not doing any promotion of this app. So let's start. So first we have to select the aspect ratio. Now what we have to do is choose an image. You can choose any image. I have chosen a black background. Now what we have to do is take an audio. So click on audio, go to your folders and go to any audio which you have downloaded. I'm going to take this, and now you have to increase it till the video ends. For instance, over here I'm taking it for 30 seconds because this is just to show you how to make the audio. Now you click on this audio and there will be an option trim or split. So click on that and click on trim to right of playhead. So you do that and you get this. Now after doing that, again you have to click on this audio. There will be three dots over here, and after click on that you get an option called duplicate. So press on the duplicate. Now what you have to do is go to the first audio. There will be an option volume, and now this left 100 you have to increase it to right 100. Do it tick. Now in the second audio do the same thing, but over here the right 100 should be decreased to left 100, and you get over here. Now what you have to do is mark after every 5 seconds. You can take it as, no need to take it as 5.000. You can take it as 50.040, 0.08, something like that. So over here you start marking as I am doing. Now for every 5 seconds you have to mark. No need to mark in the beginning 0 seconds. After marking, you have to go to the first audio and the third option over here, this one. Okay, so you have seen that this one should be clicked, and from go to the 5 second marking. There you have to pull it, the volume envelope should be taken 175 because it should actually be 175 so that the sound is heard properly. And here the next 5 seconds you have to bring it down to 50. Remember, it should be 50. It can be 51, 52 or 49. Does not matter in 1-2 units. So do the same thing. It should be 175 and 50 respectively. Like I have got 174, so no need to worry there. This I'll bring it to 50 here. It's okay if you get it to 51. Do the same thing all out in the first audio only. So you again bring it to 175, and the last will be in the last volume envelope should be 100, not 50. Remember. Now you click on the tick mark, and now to the second audio again you have to go to the 5 seconds, the 5 second marking, and click on the third option again. Now what you have to do, instead of increasing it up, because in the first audio we did first increasing to 175, or here you have to decrease it to 50 first instead of taking it upwards. So we'll do that. Do the same thing. Now again you have to take it to 175. You have to do the same thing for all these things. It should be 50 and 175 only. Remember this, it's very important. You can't take it to 200, nothing. It should be 175 or 50, and you can take it 176, 174, something like that. So that will be helpful. And as I told you, the last one should be in 100 middle. Now after doing that, your AD audio is ready. It was very simple. You can add some text like 8D audio and can do this till the end and increase, change the font. There are many fonts, Latin also there are. I'll choose Bevan, and yeah, it looks good. Now color, let it be white itself. In overall animation, let it be flicker. Okay, no, let it be beat, but beat option is not there. Okay, now this. Okay, so this looks good. And now when you play it and you wear your headphones, you will feel how it turns into an AD audio. So we have made a AD audio. You wear your headphones, listen it, and you will get that feeling as if this is AD. And you have, after that you have to click on this and click on that export button. And when you export it and listen to it, you will really feel as if you're hearing to AD audio, and it is AD audio. So I hope you liked this video, and I hope you liked my previous video as well. So please like, share and subscribe, and also comment in the comment box so that I can get to know if you have tried, if the outcome has come properly. And I don't promote any of the apps here, so please be aware and stay safe, stay healthy.